I tell you say if you lie down for yourself, make you not touch me?
What was that for?
Why you go touch me like that?
I didn't touch you. I just held you.
Wetin me come be the difference wey dey for the thing?
Baby, if I touch you, you know.
You know be better person.
Relax now.
Come on for here.
Come now.
Come for here. See, I go break your head for this place. No, because in your house I do. Come out for here, abeg. Come out for here.
Why are you so bad?
Come out for here.
My baby girl stay one place now. Make our king cuddle you now. Wetin dey worry you sef? Sonia, wetin dey worry you? My country people, how una dey? I don bring another ogbonge movie. This is the continuation of wetin I post yesterday. So if you dey follow am, this is the continuation. If your body dey do you jiggy jiggy saying you no fit wait again, the movie title I go drop am for comment section. Make you sef rush go YouTube go continue. Make I play the video, make you sef watch before I continue.
Wetin dey vex me for where una dey be say as una big rich like this, see you first son, you go dey sit down jeje, your small brother go waka go katakata hustle everywhere, come bring food, you go open your mouth like this, chop the food, shame no catch you. Shame no go catch you say small pikin wey you dey wey dem born na im dey feed you, dey wear you cloth, dey do everything, dey give you money upon that na no go let am sleep, na no go let am drink water drop cup, dey give am wahala. You no get shame? No, you no get shame. Abi na swear dey curse you? No, they curse you. Answer.
Listen, Mbeke or Bresel or whatever you call yourself. I will not stand here and listen to all this rubbish coming out of your mouth.
You still stand and listen. You still stand now. No, be you stand there and listen. So as you dey like this now, tomorrow you will go like this now. Go find one girl. You don't marry wife. You don't be husband. What you do? Nothing. You go carry another person pikin. They suffer am. They suffer am. Now what you go do now? Because handwork, at least people no go school, then get handwork, they do something, money go they come, you no get. Office work, you no get. What you want do? How you want to feed them? You no go feed now. Okay, if your children now won't go school, you no born children, you go born children. When they won't go school again, now see your small brother, now you go come pay school fees. Shame, now cover your face like this.
Enough! You won't speak to my big brother like that.
I go give you backhand. Now backhand I go give you now. See this your lip now. Now so your face go there. See you now, see you. Enough. Tomorrow you too, man go carry you put for house. I don't marry wife. Abi, if man they go through something now, maybe say you need make you want can't contribute. You know if you get anything, cause your head empty, nothing there inside. Small, okay, you now that one senior you, even as a senior, you know if you push am. The only thing wey they say na sit down make dem dey feed you, they give you money, you go pack go do nonsense, carry everything wear. Na the only thing wey you sabi. Children, you no fit get anything wey you wan teach them, because wetin you know wey you wan teach them. Than to dey sit down house make person dey bring dey give you for free. Na so life be. Na so life be. You see na true like this, see you fall down, old man, you don old, you say you be small pikin. You still say you be small pikin, you dey dey small.
My country people, as I watched this movie yesterday, I say no, this is the best movie Sonia Uche and Maurice ever acted. Like, the movie is top notch. If you never watch them, I don't know what you're waiting for. Rush to YouTube, go to Maurice TV, search for it. You Me Forever, that's the title. You will enjoy it, and make sure you grab popcorn, because this movie is everything and more. You will enjoy it. Seriously, guys, you need to go and watch it. When I know say for my page, I know they promote rubbish. That news will go benefit you. Now they bring, and this Sonia Uche now one of them. So rush to YouTube and grab your popcorn. See you guys later. Bye.